Hey everyone, today we have this 2024 Ford F-150. This is in the XLT 302A mid package. It also has the Black Appearance Plus package on it, and it is a late release Job 2 package, as this was not available earlier on in the year. You could not get this package with the 6.5 foot box that this has, as well as a few of the other items. We're going to check out all the options and upgrades together. Let's check it out. Under the hood of this one is the 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost engine. Super powerful, great for towing and everything else. Made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission, helping it get amazing fuel economy with silky smooth shifts. Then you have the set it and forget it automatic headlights. They are LED backlit headlights, and they go with an LED fog light. I love the Black Appearance package, as it does give you the color matched bumpers, which is the only way to get a XLT 302A with color matched bumpers now, since the Sport is no longer available for this model year. Then you do have the nice blacked out Ford badging with the white surround there, the black front grille. It has front park sensors and an around view camera system, so camera up front, under both mirrors and in the back, which really helps you park and not run over your kid's bike in the garage. You also have these blacked out tow mirrors to help pull your buddy out of the ditch, which is awesome. And the vehicle has a forward collision system with pedestrian detection, which means if somebody pulls out in front of you and you don't have time to stop, it's going to put the brakes on for you. That saves lives and saves some money on insurance. Now, because this is the Black Appearance Package Plus, you do get these gorgeous high gloss black 20-inch wheels wrapped in some nice Dynapro all-terrain 2 tires. You have blacked out F-150 XLT badging right here, and then this does have the upgraded trailer tow mirrors. So these mirrors are a power heated mirror. They're also dual convex, and they have a blind spot system in them, so that lights up when somebody's in your blind spot. These mirrors also can extend out, again making towing just a breeze. To get in or out of this truck, you can just put your set code in here. It'll unlock with the code, or you can put your hand in the door handle. It'll sense the heat from your hands and unlock with that. You can also press this button right here to lock it. You've got nice blackout platform running boards, protecting your lower sills and giving you a nice easy way to get inside the cab. Tinted windows off the back look fantastic. And then we open this up and you get your first look at this black package interior. I love the gray accent stitching in here and just the nice designs that have been done. The material's been used on the inside is beautiful, and these seats are super comfortable. In here you do have 12-volt power supply, USB-C power supply, and inverted standard household plug power supply. You can also lift this up, and this does have the mobile office package, giving you this added storage here. Love that this goes flat if you want the totally flat floor that Ford is known so famously for, or it does give you that option to have something that doesn't roll from out of the seat. You also have map pockets on the backs of the seats, just all kinds of nice little bits of storage. So again, as a late production model for this year, Job 2, we do get the 6.5 foot box with the Black Appearance package. It's the first time this has been available from Ford, which is really a big item. See the 4x4 decal done in dark contrast as well. Then in the back, we have another color matched bumper with backup sensors, as well as a backup camera to make your life easier when reversing. This does have the trailer tow package. This actually has the tow haul package upgrade and the 355 max tow rear end package upgrade, giving this a maximum amount to be able to tow. If we press this button from the key fob twice, that is going to lower down that tailgate for us. Inside the box, we do have the inverted power supply, and we've got this new feature for 2024, a little box to be able to throw stuff in, you know, if you want to throw some gloves or a tie strap or anything like that, which is nice. On your tailgate, you do have C-channel clamp holders on either side here, so if you want to put a piece of board down and clamp that down with C-clamps, you can do that. You also have a strap holder on either side of the tailgate for longer items, and it duals as a bottle cap opener from the bottom. As we come to the front here, we're just going to open up the driver's door, and I always like to show these capacity stickers. Then on the driver's door here, new for 2024 on the XLT 302A, you do have the Blue Cruise feature. So this is the fully self-driving feature from Ford. Basically, this vehicle, just like a Tesla can drive itself on the programmed roads. You don't have to touch the steering wheel or anything else. It'll do it all for you. We have our power locks, our power mirrors, and our power window controls. Tons of places to put things, including bottles and cup holders and all sorts of stuff. Again, nice finishing on the dash here. You have lights underneath the mirrors you can turn on or off with these switches. We then have our power tailgate in the back there. We've got a cargo lamp, our set it and forget it headlights with fog lights, interior dimmer switches, emergency brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheels, goes in and out and up and down. And then we have our super comfortable 10-way adjustable heated front captain's chairs, and they are a thing of beauty. I love the bolstering that's been done. Let's climb inside and check out some of the interior features. Now that we're inside the cab, we're going to hit this push button start. That's going to fire up the new digital display, new for 2024 in the XLT 302A. I love that it's got a full digital display. Looks amazing. It has digital speedometer, even can capture the speed limit signs with a camera as you drive past them and display them there for you. Just a great, nice setup. On your steering wheel, we do have a blacked out Ford emblem here. And then this does have the new adaptive cruise control. So new on this model for this year, adaptive cruise control can slow you down with the vehicle in front of you. And you can set it to an intelligent mode. Well, what does that do? It actually changes your speed while the cruise control is on to go up or down with those speed limit signs. Again, super handy. Then we have a lane detection system that'll keep you in your own lane. It can either push you in or give you alerts or both. Or you can turn on the semi-autonomous driving system known as lane centering. So this can be used on any road that has lines on the ground, and it will steer the steering wheel for you. You do have to give it a little bit of haptic feedback from your hands, but really it'll steer the steering wheel for you and is a really nice semi-autonomous driving system. This has volume controls to your steering wheel as well as volume or voice recognition system. On this side, we've got controls to that digital display, phone controls, stereo controls. Up top here, we do have a big center channel speaker and a place to put things. And then our huge 12-inch screen display. Love this setup. In here, we've got all kinds of information. And up top, this is engine auto off, so the vehicle shuts off when not using the power. If you don't like that, just hit this switch. This is for our around view camera system. You can see all around the truck. We can zoom into different corners and we can change the views. One of my favorite views is the new blind spot view or auxiliary trailer view. Again, just awesome if you're doing any towing, which this model is definitely set up for. Up top here, if we press the P button, that's going to bring us into our park sensor where we can turn on or off the park sensors front or back individually. We can also do the four-way flashers and the traction control from here. In this screen, I mentioned it does have a navigation system. So this navigation system is really handy for your map, or you can do your wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the new Sync 4 system. So this can broadcast your smartphone to this. Almost all your apps come up here, your Spotify, your podcast, your audiobooks, and even the maps from your phone. So if you like to use Apple Maps, Waze Maps, or Google Maps, it'll stream those up here, and it's really nice and simple to use. If you go into the features down below, one of my favorite features is zone lighting. We can turn the whole outside of this truck into one big LED light. Press this button here and we can select what zone we want to light up. It basically turns the truck into a portable light tower. Love that feature. Coming down below, we have volume controls for our stereo, and then we have dual climate control, my side, my passenger side. Those heated seat controls, and new for this year, they actually have an auto temperature on. So as it feels the temperature drop, it'll just start warming up the seat. You don't have to do anything. Or you can put it to 3 different levels if you'd like to just control it yourself. Fan switch here in the middle and an auto setting. So similar to your home where you just set it to a certain temperature, it gets hot or cold as it needs to. With the mobile office package, this also has the wireless charger as well as USB and USB-C ports up at the front. And then this is big. So on this package, the only way to get this console shift is this new 302A Black Appearance Plus package, which again has never been available with the 6.5-foot box before, but is on this particular unit, which is great. And if we want, we can press this button and fold that out of the way, and that allows for this. The fold flat mobile office package has an area to work or eat from, which is nice. Put this back up, and you do have an M button for manual mode, which we can shift up or down through the 10-speed transmission. We have cup holders, place to put a pen, and then if we open this up, you have an upper and a lower section with a couple more USB-C connections there. Then beside the screen, this does have the Pro Trailer backup system thanks to the tow haul package. So you can steer your trailer while backing up using this dial. And we have a built-in trailer brake controller, which again is part of the tow haul package. We then have 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low for our 4x4 settings with that locking 355 max tow rear end. And if we move this dial sideways, we go up to different drive modes. So we can go from normal to slippery to off-road. And then if we go the other direction, we can go over to some engine management with tow haul, Eco, or my favorite, Sport mode, and that's going to really increase your throttle shift response as well as give you a little higher exhaust note. On the other side, 2 glove boxes. The upper one, press this button to open. We have a 12-volt power supply and another inverted power supply for 3 total in the truck. Come up top, we have an electrochromatic auto-dimming mirror. We've got some map lights, control for our power rear sliding window, and last but not least, a sunglasses holder. So that is this beautiful 2024 302A XLT Black Appearance Plus package. Thanks a lot for taking a look at this video. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.